Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Philly milk from Burger King. I had a mozzarella fries from Burger King. And we have a birthday cake from Burger King. So yeah, this is a new burger. I don't know how long it's been out or what. Then I got my Sprite. And guess what I have over here? My iPhone. This is my iPhone. My iPhone 15 Pro Max. I got that. This is my case and my screen protector. And this is, I bought another tripod. Well, content creator, you know, you're gonna go through a lot of these selfie sticks. Yeah. So first, we're gonna try the Philly burger from Burger King. We'll try that first. There's my burger. Let's try it. Sit down, want to see it. Smell good. Smell like jalapenos on it. I don't know what do we have on it. Ooh, cheese melted. Like it got a lot of cheese on it. That's the other side. Okay, let's give it a try. It has some kind of pepper. I know napkins. Some kind of pepper. Man, go get me a napkin. And that's what, I don't know what I'll do and have on it. And that's the top of the bun. It looks like it has 2 patties and some cheese. That's how it look like. Don't look like it had nothing else good, interesting. Okay, let's give it a bite. You want the first bite? I'll let you guys have the first bite. Here, bite, 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 bite. Okay, let's try it. Amen. Go looking down the counter, bring the napkins. Tastes okay. It seems like they should have put some then I have some it do look like have some salt, but it don't look like have a lot. It don't have a lot. Ranch open. Let's try these. Try it. Here, you guys can have one and one for me. Let's try it. No cheese puff. That's okay. Tastes okay. I wouldn't buy it. Jesus. I wouldn't buy it. But it tastes okay. and birthday pie slice from Burger King. Put in the comments if you tried this before. Look like it should taste good. Let's see how it looks. Look good, huh? Look good. My first Sprite for today. Love my Sprite. I'm trying to cut down. I'm trying to cut down. It's hard. It's good though. Dude, I never tried these before. Out of 10, I would give this a 7. And a burger, out of 10, I would give it an 8. I would give it a 9 or a 10 if it has some lettuce and onion. I don't know. Looks like it got bacon. Don't like it got that much though. But yeah. This looks like a double cheeseburger on some sourdough bread. That's how it look in there. It's okay. And put a comment down below if you tried these before. And have you tried the burger yet? But yeah. But that's it for that. I'm ready to get to my phone. Okay. I'll be back. I'm going to change location. Okay. I am back. Yeah, this is my old iPhone 13. This one is full of storage. It's been full of storage like about 6 months after I got my iPhone. So I haven't been able to really record on here, just like do little shorts here and there, because it only had 126 gigabytes. Because when I started YouTube, when I got this iPhone, we only bought the 126 gigabytes, because you know the more gigabyte you had, the more money it cost. At the time I bought this one, I wasn't doing YouTube. So I ran out of storage on here. So what I did, I started doing videos on the iPhone 11. You guys know how old iPhone 11 is? Really, really old. So I've been doing the videos on the iPhone 11. So for Mother's Day, what my daughter did, she paid this one out for me. And then I got the iPhone 15 Pro. I got this one. So what I'm going to do, like what I was doing on my iPhone 11, I was just like erasing everything, going back to the manufacturer warranty. And that iPhone 11 only has 64 gigabytes. So you, content creator, you can imagine what I was going through to do videos. Every time it get almost full, I had to go back to manufacturer warranty. I got so tired of that. Then I was like, I'm not ready for no camera. I don't want no camera. I'm not ready for no camera. Because when you have a camera, you got to still download it to your desktop or your laptop. Then you got to edit it. But on the iPhone, you can do everything. So right now, I'm more comfortable with doing my videos on the iPhone. So what I'm going to do with the iPhone 13, just keep, using this over and over and over. And then I got this iPhone 15 Pro Max. I got 500 and something. Because I should have got the 1 tier, but it costs a lot more to get more storage. So I figured by the time I fill this one up and keep doing this one over and over and over again, I think I'll be ready for a camera by then. But in the meantime, I'm gonna stick to my phone. So this will be my recording phone. And after they transfer all my information from that phone to this phone, I still will have about, 3-something gigabyte left on this phone. So that's what I'm gonna do in the meantime until I get comfortable to get a camera. But for now, I'll just continue to do it on my iPhone 13 and my iPhone 15. But let's open up my 15. Yeah, so my daughter, she had to pay this one out. Then she had to pay the taxes on this one. Oh my God. Taxes was a lot. It's crazy. Okay, let's open it. And I think I picked the plain color titanium or something, how you say it. I think it's like a plain silver. I think that's what I got here. It's like a plain silver. Can't wait to see. And she said it don't even come with a charger. I hope so. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. It's in the box. Nothing but some papers. But look at that, you guys. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I think this is the color I got. So let's see. That little symbol. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty, you guys. Pretty. Let's take it out. It comes with a charger. It just don't have the cube. Yeah, it got a charger, but it just don't have the cube to it. Okay, you ready, guys? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Is that the right side or this side? I think it's this side. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Look at that, you guys. Wow. Ain't this pretty? I got a case. I made sure that I got everything before. It's not even charged a little bit. Look at that, you guys. It's pretty. Wow, look at that. And I'm gonna go to AT&T and let them switch everything over. That's pretty. I'm be very careful. And then this is the case. I think I just got a clear taste. I just got a clear case. Okay. And I got screen protector. And I guess this is the case. These are the screen protectors. Oh, it looks like they give you screen protector with the case. If I knew that, I wouldn't have bought those screen protectors. And I gotta figure out how to put all this stuff on here. Oh, this is the thing that you put on the thing. I didn't know they give it to you with the, or is this protect? Yeah, this is supposed to be the case. I didn't know they give you this with the case. I thought you had to buy that separate. I guess I should have read it, huh? See what all it come with. And I guess this is some little sticker. I'm not gonna put that on my phone. But yeah, I guess it come with the screen protector and the round little thing. And this part to wash it. And then this. And then right here, just some more screen protectors. I got 2 of these. Came with 2 of these and 2 screen. Damn, I shouldn't have bought none. I got 2. And then I got that. This is the case. I just got a clear one. Just something clear. Yeah, but I'm gonna figure out how to put this on and everything, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I got it. I did it. Look nice. Look the same as this. Look the same. Yeah, it look the same. So I will be videotaping mostly with this one, but I will be doing this one sometime. But thank you, Sierra. I love you. So now my videos should be better, my videos. Because I'm going to record on the iPhone Pro 13 with my 15 sometime. And this was in there. I don't know what this is for. I don't know what this is for. I had to figure that out. When I was watching the video how to add it on there, it didn't show. I still have Fruit Loop Bubbles. But yeah, that's it. Sierra, she did that. And Avery, he bought this and he bought this. And he's going to pay the $35 the installation charge. And yeah. Then Dante, he bought me some flowers and stuff to plant. And when I start to plant those, I'll do a video on me planting my flowers that he bought me. So thank you, Dante. Thank you, Sierra. And thank you, Avery. And I love you guys. Bye.